Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix HeyGen upload errors in 2026. So if your video, image, or voice file is not uploading, stuck, or showing an error message, yeah, this beginner troubleshooting guide will help you step by step. First, make sure your file format is supported. So HeyGen usually works best with MP4 videos, MP3 audio, and standard image formats like JPG or PNG. Next, check your file size. Very large videos can fail or get stuck during upload. So yeah, if upload keeps failing, re-export your video in a clean format like MP4H264. This fixes hidden encoding issues. Now check your internet connection. Unstable Wi-Fi can break uploads or cause them to fail halfway. So yeah, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can interfere with uploads and cause errors. Next, try using Google Chrome. Some users report upload issues in other browsers like Edge or Firefox. So yeah, turn off ad blockers or browser extensions. They can block upload scripts without you noticing. Now try uploading in incognito mode. This removes cached data and extension conflicts. Finally, check if HeyGen servers are down. Sometimes upload errors happen because the platform itself is having issues. And that's how to fix HeyGen upload errors in 2026. Once you follow these steps, most issues like failed uploads, stuck files, and format errors can be solved quickly. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.